Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I usually make on Christmas season. It's the tuna salad sandwich spread. Make sure to watch the video until the end to reveal the secret ingredient of this recipe. Thank you! So let's get started. We'll be needing onions, minced, cheddar cheese, grated, mayonnaise, and one canned tuna. And now that we have all the ingredients ready, we are now going to mix them all together. First, the onions, then the cheese, next is the mayonnaise, and last is the canned tuna. Make sure that we mix it all together. And now that all the ingredients are well mixed, let's put in some pepper to add additional flavor to our recipe. And that's it. Our tuna salad sandwich is ready to be served. And for the secret ingredient of this recipe, I added some honey. What are you waiting for, guys? Try this new recipe that your family will surely love. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe for more good food. Thank you.